Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for Arc Raiders on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive, then open the users folder. Click on the folder with your username. Now you'll need to open the app data folder. If you don't see it, go to the View tab at the top, click on Show, and then check Hidden Items. Once app data becomes visible, open it. Inside app data, open the local folder. Then, find and open the folder named Pioneer Game. Next, open the Saved folder, and then Save Games. This is where all your Arc Raiders save game files are stored. You can back them up, copy them, or delete them if you want to start fresh. Now, go back to the Saved folder. Open the folder called Config, then Windows Client. Inside, double-click on the file named GameUserSettings.ini. This file contains your game configuration settings, like graphics, resolution, and controls. And that's it. Now you know where to find both your save files and config file for Arc Raiders on PC. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.